What are we making, Earl?
We got a lot about to happen here. What do we got going on?
We're gonna make vodka rigatoni.
And
garlic bread.
who inspired it?
Sam, the cooking guy.
Sam, the cooking guy. All right, Sam. We'll see if we can reproduce it. We're getting prepped. Yeah.
Okay, so we have some olive oil that we're sauteing some red onion in, and once they saute a little bit, we're gonna add the garlic, and then we'll add some tomato paste to our vodka sauce. Add our garlic. I think there's 3 cloves.
3 cloves of garlic.
And then we let that get fragrant. Now we're adding our tomato paste, 6 ounces. Over here.
So now that this has been cooking a little bit, you can see that there's some glaze on the bottom of the skillet, and we need to deglaze with what?
Vodka.
Vodka. Is that the biggest bottle you could have found?
Yep.
Okay. How much vodka are we gonna put in?
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. Okay. Is this a dry measuring cup or a liquid?
This is a liquid,
All right.
because I'm using a liquid. You know what?
Yeah, go for it. This is extra vodka. What's this sauce called?
Vodka sauce.
Vodka sauce. All right.
That looks brown enough, you think?
Yep.
All right, let's deglaze.
Let's deglaze.
So our next ingredient is heavy whipping cream, 1 cup. Again, with the liquid measure.
That's looking good.
Look at that color.
That is looking good.
So now we're gonna add a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Bubbling too. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Put that over here. Bubbling. So now we're gonna make some toasted breadcrumbs to go on top of the pasta. So we're gonna start with some olive oil, a little bit of butter,
How much is a little bit?
like maybe 1/4 cup. The whole sticks. I don't know, that much.
I can't that much. A sliver.
We're gonna melt the butter, and we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of Panko breadcrumbs.
1/2 cup? Okay.
All right, we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. And we're gonna stir it.
So in here we have oil, olive oil,
Olive
butter,
oil.
breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper?
Not yet.
Not yet?
But we will.
After it browns up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need a different spoon too. All right, now we're gonna add some salt and pepper to our breadcrumbs. Okay.
And we mix. Looking good.
It is. A little bit more.
A little bit longer, get them nice and toasty brown. And then we add parsley to it.
Parsley. There's some parsley. All right, so we're gonna take out a cup of the pasta water first.
So we can have that to, if we need to thicken
We're gonna use it to
not thicken the
Thin.
sauce, but thin the sauce. We have some pasta water at our disposal.
Okay.
All right.
Now we're gonna try to get these bad boys out.
And a little bit of pasta water in the sauce never hurt anybody.
That's what Sam's Cooking Guides is.
We're making do with a less than complete set of kitchen utensils. Hey, we're in a bachelor pad. What can you say?
It's working. That's hot. Okay. Here we go. Everybody gets covered. Add some Parmesan cheese.
This is shredded versus grated or sliced.
Yeah.
We did not have to add any of the pasta water because it wasn't really super thick. So, all right, let's let that melt and mix in.
We lied.
So we lied. Once we added the cheese, it got a little thick. So we're going to put some of this pasta water in there, just a little bit. Looking good.
Our last step is we're going to add our panko, parsley, and butter. Hold on.